Hello! Today we're going to show the process to load a new resin cartridge into the Primeprint material unit. The loading process is the same whether it's the first time you're using the material unit or refilling it with a new cartridge. Once you know how to complete the process, you can replace a cartridge in about a minute. So here we have our new resin cartridge. With each cartridge you get two sets of stickers. The first one is for the material unit itself, so that you can identify this material unit is for this resin type. You can put it either on the top or below the little tab, wherever it's easier for you to see while you have it stored on the shelf. You also get two droplet stickers, which are designed to go on your washing containers. Again, you can put it either on the handle, like you see here, or on the base of the washing container itself over here. Whatever is easier to see. Let's get back to changing the cartridge. First, we want to shake it for about 15 seconds, just to make sure the resin's been mixed. Next, we have to hold the cartridge upright, and we want to test this little plunger here. Just a little push to make sure it returns back to its closed position. That way, when the Primeprint is dispensing the resin, we know it will be closed again when it's finished. Finally, we peel off this little foil right here, and we can slide it into the material unit. Note that we never touch this screw cap over here. That's simply to fill the resin from the factory. There's no need to ever open this. Last step, we grab our material unit from the two tabs on the sides, put it into the Primeprint, slide it all the way in, close the latch, and close the door. The Primeprint read the RFID chip that's inside the cartridge. It references it to identify the resin type. It has detected that a new cartridge has been inserted. We confirm, yes, that's true. We have done all the process. It also has detected a brand new material unit, correct? So now the cartridge and the material unit are paired together, and the Primeprint is ready to print.